Tsaka, eto pa. Actually, kahit if you are overseas, nasa... Sino bang reference ko? Yung Australian, nakadugo namin. Even if you are in Australia at yung host ng nagsasalita is from China, New Zealand, kaya naman on Philippines, walang mangyayari, mapapaiyak yung nasa ibang bansa because ganyan kayo kaitim. Oo. Pero we are hoping one day technology will evolve. And by that time, sorry ha, jail time ka papunta. Jail time. Eto pa, what if yung Bahamas? 20 years na yon, di umuwi sa Pilipinas. Why? Because itim kayo. Same syndrome, telepathy, being insulted